National Cable Installations. We've been around for 25 years. We're the market leader in cable installations.
When NCI decided to go with the business branded plates, we actually thought it would be the perfect solution for us because we wanted to do something a little bit different across that marketing and branding space with our vehicles. We've got a lot of fleet on the ground, and the business branded plates was a no-brainer for us because it was simple, easy to do, and the effectiveness straight away with people noticing it was excellent.
Having business branded plates, to me, for a business of any size, is an absolute no-brainer. You have people driving up behind you, in traffic lights, seeing it. It's just a mobile billboard, effectively. It's just great advertising for the business.
What I love about the branded plates is that it's actually got our logo, which is NCI, but also they've got that great description about exactly what we do, and we can get that brand awareness out there instantly. I think now is a time when it comes to businesses being a little bit different with our marketing and also putting ourselves in a premium position. So that's something that I would talk to people about, is the ease of being able to order them and the effectiveness for our staff as well as the people that we're actually mixing with and our clients on site, and the reaction that we're getting. It was just a really easy decision.
It gives our client and the public a sense of size and volume. So they see 01 or 025 and they go, hey, these guys are quite a substantial business and they've got a fair few vehicles in their fleet, which is great. I think if you're a business that wanted to take your branding to the next level, business branded plates, definitely the way to go. It is a very economical way of getting your business brand out to the marketplace.